So if you take a close look, here's the fretboard, the little wooden part. All these dots represent a specific number. This one right here, this is 3, this is 5, this is 7, 9, and 12, and so on. So this is like 15, I think. 17, 19, 20. No, wait. 21. When you have that, right, this is gonna help you with reading tabs, like I told you that I would teach. So these individual dots on the fretboard like when you press down on them, they make different noises. So look, without touching anything, it makes a deep noise like this. But when you press down on, let's say 3, it's gonna make a higher pitch noise. Or 5, 7, 9, 12. Those all make different pitches. And the most important one out of all of them, I'd say, is 5. Because 5 helps you tune the bass. It helps you, it's like the middle. It's in the middle. So like, to know if your bass is tuned, all you have to do is go down on 5. So look, that makes a nice pitch. And then the next string should sound the exact same. So on. That's how you know it's in tune.